Hi guys, today I've got an easy hack that will help you recreate this messy bun updo. I've started with curly hair and I'm just going to apply some volume powder at the roots. I'll pop everything I'm using in the description below. Then for a little bit more height, I'm just going to gently tease the crown area, just the bottom inch or so. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. Once you've got that area back combed, gather it to the back in your hand and smooth out the top layer with a comb. Then secure it into a little ponytail using an elastic band. Then just clip this ponytail on top of the head out of the way for later. And we're just going to create one more ponytail with the rest of the hair directly underneath the first one. Okay, so release that top ponytail down, and now I'm going to add some dry wax spray all across the top of the head to control flyaways. Then for a little bit more volume and texture, I'm gently going to pinch and pull at the hair around the crown. You can make this as messy or neat as you like. Next, add some dry texture spray all throughout your ponytails. Then we're going to split that top ponytail in half, and starting on the left hand side, I'm going to divide this in half again and wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Then just grab a couple of hairs at the bottom with your left hand, and with your right hand push the rest of the hair towards the head. Then secure to the head with a couple of bobby pins. And we're going to do the same on the other section for that top ponytail. So divide it in half, loosely wrap the sections around one another all the way to the bottom. Grab a couple of hairs with your left hand, and with your right hand push the rest of the hair up towards the head. Arrange it how you like and secure with a couple more bobby pins. We're going to do the same steps of the bottom ponytail, but I'm going to take 4 sections. So starting on the left hand side, create a twist, grab a couple of hairs and push the hair towards the head. And then just place this to the left hand side and secure with a couple more pins. Then move over to the right hand side and take another slice of hair, divide it in half and create a loose twist. Grab a couple of hairs with your left hand, and with your right hand push that back up the strand towards the head and secure on the right hand side with a couple more pins. Keep in mind that you want to make this into a round bun shape. And with that last section, I'm going to divide it in half and just clip one bit out of the way for later, which I'll use to make the bun more full. Okay, so with that other section, divide it in half and create your twist. Grab a couple of hairs at the bottom with your left hand and push the rest up with your right hand to fill in that space at the bottom of the bun. Secure with some bobby pins. Then we're just going to release that last section of hair down, and we're going to create our twist the same as the others. Grab a couple of hairs from the bottom with your left hand and push it up towards the head with your right. I'm then going to position this right in the middle of the bun so it's not flat looking, and secure with some pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.